what do you want to buy? There is pumpkin and special food and mom, please. And there is your cat food. What do you want, mom? The pumpkin is sold. You have to anything you can buy, mom, please. And mom, please tell me. Oh, but I am in diet, so I need pumpkin, not cat food and special offer. Mom, your order will arrive in 6 minutes. Ma'am, please stand down. Your water is coming. Your majesty, if you need anything, you can tell us and you can start put here and we will come here. Wait, I want to go to washroom. Oh, mama, washroom is there. Chef, please make the special food and cat food only. She is in diet. Please put the special food means cat food only little bite. Okay, ma'am? Yeah. Okay. Ritter. Oh my yes, ma'am. I'm coming. Coming. Wait a second. Yes, what do you want? Cat food. Cat food. Cat food. Oh, sorry. Cat food. And special offers. Time to put some. And to add some water. And just mix it with the spoon. I put lot of water. It's okay. So time for put this water to here. So now the water is like a special. This is the special water in the world. Time. Manager, the food is ready. Okay, I am coming for seat number. Tell me the seat number, chef. Seat number 5, please. Ma'am, here is the water. So it's food. We can mix for a while. Ma'am, please add. Oh, sorry. Time for put the water. I have to clean it. Ma'am, anything do you want? I don't want. Okay, as a wish. Wait, oh ma'am, coming, 2 minutes. Oh, I'm the manager, ma'am. There's a special offer we have giving you. There is a surprise for you. This is the surprise for you we have given. And one more thing I am giving you. Here is another one. Is anyone you need, I will. And also this one you will also like. Do you want to see? Yes, I want to see it right now. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. In 3, 2, 1. So sorry, you have to take this one. This is for you, and one more is coming because if you anything want, I will come in here. And there is a special offer for you, ma'am. Just drink butter. You have a nice day, ma'am. Which one you want? There are a lot of type I am giving you. So, mommy, you don't have to wear this one. Just take out, mom. Oh, mom. Oh, nothing is there. You can add. Now you can have food. I will give this one to other customer. Now just take. Other customer want to need this. Witcher. Oh, coming. Yeah, one more is coming. I'm giving for some other one. Time for go. Okay. Mom, you have the special offer from this because you are new. Please, ma'am, come another time. Please. This is your own home. Ma'am, which one you take? Please take one. And there is the other. Ma'am, please take not this one. I have to give another customer. What do you want? I want orange one. No, sir, ma'am. Because you already use it. Please take another one like pink, cute, and this color, blue color, dark blue color, and green color. Which do you want? Like? I want pink. Pink, congratulations. You can take one more free.
पिंक और यही अच्छा लग रहा है ना?
Just take it. This one I want. Okay, as you wish. No, I don't want this. I want green one. As you wish. These two I will give to another customer. Just take it. Oh, I like this Cat's Fancy Restaurant. Guys, please and subscribe this channel, please. And you also subscribe from me also.
वो भी एक जल्दी
Nice fancy restaurant. Please, bye. Tata, then do next time free. And you also like it.